What is your best insult without swearing? I once asked a girl, "Where have you been all my life?" Her response was, "I don't know, but I wish I was still there." I bet your parents change the subject when their friends ask about you. You're impossible to underestimate. Your face makes blind kids cry. I'm lonely, not desperate. I envy the people who haven't met you. I bet your parents change the subject when their friends ask about you. My days of not taking you seriously are certainly coming to a middle. If you were the light at the end of the tunnel, I'd turn back around. You are the reason why shampoo has instructions. You're a conversation starter. Not when you are around, but once you leave.